like that. Then do it like this. Do it like.
Today is day 437, Hall magnetic sensor using Arduino UNO. Today we'll connect a Hall sensor with Arduino UNO and detect whether a magnet is nearby or not. And the best part, we'll print the live sensor values directly on the serial monitor. Now, let's look at the components required. Arduino UNO, KY003 Hall magnetic sensor, jumper wires and power cable. First, connect the Hall sensor. VCC goes to 5 volts, GND to ground, and the signal pin connects the digital pin 2 on the Arduino UNO. The code sets a Hall sensor pin as an input and initializes serial communication. At 9600 baud, in the loop, Arduino continuously reads a sensor value using digital read and prints it to the serial monitor with serial.println. When a magnet approaches the sensor, the output state changes, allowing you to see the sensor response in real time. After writing the code, select the correct COM port and Arduino UNO board, then compile and upload. Now bring a magnet close to the sensor and watch the detection happen live. This tiny sensor is surprisingly powerful. It powers security systems, police speed detection, smart door sensors, and DIY automation projects. Thanks for watching. Follow Sarkit EdTech for day 5 of the 37 Sensors Challenge, featuring more Arduino and IoT projects with step-by-step guidance.